This is Sora AI. This is the most insane AI software to come out in 2024. Now, we're just going to watch 10 minutes of videos that this software can do. This is all AI generated. These aren't real people. They're not real people in the background. This lady with the red dress on, she isn't real. This is insane. This is going to put a lot of video editors out. But more importantly, imagine every single person that's a content creator. What can you do with this content? What can you do with this? Imagine the cash cow channels. Imagine just the mass content that you can create. It's insane, but insane in a good way. But I also think a lot of people are going to use this for bad stuff, political stuff. Look at this. This literally looks like someone, a real person, people on a train. That's insane. This is all AI generated. They're not real people. Now, if you look closely to their feet, you will see that it is AI generated. If you look very, very closely to the way they're walking, so it's still not perfected, but I'm going to show you after this video as well what AI video software was like just 12 months ago. And the leap, it's insane. Insane. So imagine what you can create, anything that you want, any prompt, anything that's in your imagination, you can create with this. It's amazing. Imagine the kids channels, imagine storytelling. These are all fake. It's all fake. Look at the roof. The roof looks real. The roof looks real. The floor looks real. Everything looks real. It's crazy. So, in the comments, do you guys think that this will be used for good, or do you think it'll be used for bad? I personally think 95% of this will be used for good. Content creation, cash cow channels, content just on social media, video editing, maybe people will start using it more in Hollywood. But I also think there'll be, 5% of people, just like anything, that will use this software for bad. Ball goes through the hoop. Imagine the cartoons that you can create. Look at that quality. This looks real. Look at the tree, look at the water. If you saw this, you would think that it's real. Look at the cat, look at the cat. The cat looks real. Now, she doesn't 100% look real. But if I didn't tell you, you wouldn't know. Now, this is crazy what happens to the chair. Look what happens to the chair here. Now, I don't know what they're doing with the chair now, but it's some crazy magic stuff going on. So, is this a chameleon that changes color? Again, looks real. If someone showed you this on social media and they just said that they filmed this morning on a tree outside, you'd probably believe them. It's absolutely insane what this software can do. AI, over the last 12 months, it's crazy good. Imagine what it's going to be like in the next 5 years. It's actually scary. It's actually scary how good this AI stuff is getting. This is not a real person. Not a real person. Even the people outside. It's insane. The people outside. His mustache or his beard, his ear, everything looks real. If this doesn't blow your mind, I don't know what will. Now let's try pick some mistakes. So that looks real. You can make a cloud that looks like a monster. Obviously that looks fake, but it's amazing the different prompts that you can put in this software. Dancing kangaroo. The colors, it's fun, the lights in the background, everything about it. Now, look at the legs here. Look at the legs on the dogs. If you look closely, you can see that it's AI generated. So it's still not 100% perfect, but it's getting there. It's getting there. That's a flower blooming or blossoming. This is some old school footage. Again, if you're watching television at home, you would not know that this is AI generated. It's actually mind-blowing. Even the water. Mind-blowing. So, while you're watching this video, what kind of stuff or what videos are you going to create? Are you going to create content for your YouTube channel? Are you going to create content, viral content? Are you going to do kids storytelling, or are you going to, what are you guys going to do? And more importantly, what are you going to do to monetize what you're going to do? There's no point doing videos for the sake of doing videos. You want to be able to create an income. You want to be able to, yeah, like monetize what you're doing. Now, look at the dog's legs here very carefully. Look closely. See how it's not 100%? But again, if no one told you, you wouldn't know. This is all fake. This is all fake. Now, I'm just wondering if gaming, they'll use a similar software in gaming. That'll be interesting, like PlayStation 6, or if people still use Xbox or new computer games. What are the graphics going to be like then? Like, this is crazy. It's exciting. It's scary, all at the same time. This is insane. Look at the graphics. That looks like a real octopus. I don't know, is that a crab? Looks like a weird spider crab. But look at the octopus, it looks real. All the tentacles on it. Just the way it's moving, the water. Right, what's this? This is fish. Okay, so that looks like it's AI. So obviously they're not real turtles, but the prompts would have maybe origami. So that looks like it's Japanese origami fish, yeah? This guy kind of looks like me. So I would love to know in the comments, what are you guys going to create? But not just create, how are you guys going to create content that you can monetize, stuff that you're going to make money with, get millions of subscribers, millions of followers, monetize, and create an income that's going to change your life, yeah? So what are you guys going to do in the comments? Kids stuff? Are you going to do cartoons? Are you going to do business stuff? Are you going to do documentaries? Are you going to do creative stuff? What are you guys going to do? Let me know in the comments. All right, look at the legs here as well. So one of the wolves or dogs disappears. But still cool. A robot in the future. This literally looks like a movie. Absolutely crazy. This is Santorini. I'm guessing it looks like Santorini. That looks real. I was actually in Santorini about 3-4 months ago. It looks exactly the same. It looks exactly the same. Oh my god. So these are little ships and a coffee. Even this, like, the amazing thing is, whatever you imagine in your head, you can create videos. This is crazy. You can create anything. You can use your imagination on anything. Now, obviously, you can't use this for violence, anything that's sexual related. I'm guessing there'll be plenty of people that will try. So they're trying to stop people from using this for bad. But yeah, it's so cool. It's so cool. And after this video, I'm going to show you where we were 12 months ago. Tradies building a building. Even like the drone footage. That looks real. That's insane. That's Japan. The cherry blossom trees. They're not real people. Oh my god, they're not real people. They're not real. And they're even wearing a mask. Oh my god. This is insane. So this obviously hasn't launched yet. Well, it has launched, but not to the public. So they're still testing a lot of features out. They're testing it for bugs. It could be launched in a couple of weeks or a couple of months, but it is live. There's just people testing it at the moment. So this is a corgi with what, a GoPro camera, wearing sunglasses. That looks like a real dog. That looks like a real beach. The water in the background, the sand, the seagull. This is scary and amazing. This is obviously a wolf. So this kind of looks like a cartoon or like a kids thing. You could literally create a YouTube video for kids and then use ChatGPT to write storytelling scripts, and then just use this software to create cartoons. And then you can monetize that. So whatever you guys do, make sure you're able to monetize. Because again, there's no point creating amazing footage just for fun. Yeah, you may as well monetize, change your life, and get millions of views, millions of subscribers if you can, and change your life. Okay, the moon's going down, the wolves are still howling. Woolly mammoths. So we're coming towards the end of the video, but look at this, look at the snow in the background. That looks real. Imagine like the dinosaur fights, you know, T-Rex versus whatever. Yeah, like T-Rex versus Godzilla. Absolutely insane. Now I'm going to show you what AI was like just 12 months ago. Check this out. Hey. All right, guys, check this out. So I'm just going to zoom in here. This is 2023. So you saw this video before with the cat. This is just 12 months ago. So I'm guessing that's Will Smith eating food. So in 12 months, you literally have stuff that looks real life. In 12 months. This is insane. This is insane. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you like it, subscribe, and leave a comment. What are you guys going to use this software for? And are you excited to use it? Are you excited, but also like me, a little bit scared because you know that people are going to use this for bad, whether it's politics, whether it's to pretend Elon Musk is saying something about their business to sell products. People are going to use this for bad. So I'm just wondering how they're going to adapt to that so that doesn't happen. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I need some more subscribers. Would love to have you. See you in the next video.